Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel, and today we'll see one more menu tab in Excel. So we covered in menu tabs like home and insert tab and page layout. So today we'll see data in MS Excel. So first we'll see, I'll take an empty sheet here. Okay, first option is here, get external data. See, apart from Excel, if you want to be any other information, any other data, you can get here, get external data. See, first I'll go for access. From access, if you want to be any data, any file you want to be combine here or you want to put here, you can be get it. Suppose I'll be click here. So whatever I have prepared in Access, see, I have two files are in Access, I can be insert in the Excel. Suppose I will be click here. Okay, you have to click open. So when you click open, a more dialog box will come. It will ask you which kind of you want to be insert, maybe table, pivot chart, okay, power view. So I'll take this first one, table, and click OK. So when I click here, whichever I prepared, so it will be execute. Okay, this is for the I am taken from the access. And if you want to be change anything here, you can be changed. Like this, I want to be change here name, correction is there, you can be do, or any font styles or coloring you can be do. So you can be do normally how you want to be change, you can be change here. Okay, that is for accessing from the access. And next one come here from data from web. So I will click here, I want to take some data from the web. Suppose I will be click here from web. When I click there, you have to type here address. So what you want, parts of computer. Okay, whatever kind of information you want, you have to be take from the internet, and afterwards you have to be click here go. When you click, it will take some times. Okay, you have to be wait for two, because some net it has to be adjust. So when you commit pop-up, always you have to be click S. Okay, whichever pop-up are coming, just you have to click S. Okay, until coming the pop-up. Okay, then you can be click for the import. Okay, when you click import, okay, it is importing here, you can see here it's importing. So whatever content are there, that will be import here. Okay, you can see here it will take some time because it's connecting internet. So it's copying from there and it will be insert here. Okay, so this is, if you want any kind of content, you can check. See, it will ask you where do you want to put the data. So you can be select the cell. I have selected his cell here already. Just new worksheet also you can take, otherwise you can be take here. Okay, so when you click OK, so all related parts of computer, so data will be, you can be attached in the here. So it is used very rarely, because when you want to be connect from the web, and you should have compulsory internet connection. Okay, and one more is here from text. Text means like notepad, you want to be insert here, you have to be used there. Just from click from text. Okay, I'll take my file is available here. So you should have notepad file. Okay, that is text or wordpad. See, suppose I'll be import this notepad file. Okay, it will ask you. Okay, click next. Okay, next. If you want to change this, you can do, otherwise just you go for direct text. Okay, generally please. So it has the same cell reference, just to click OK. So here you can see which I have done in there, that will be available in the this content. Okay, and from other source, if you want to be get from other source like SQL, okay, any other PPTs, okay, data, XML, okay, from other source, if you want to be take, you can take the content, or if you take your information from here, you can use. Okay, and this is one existing connections, means how many files are linked with this Excel sheet, it will show you. Just to click here existing connections, you can see here I have taken here example of this notepad and Excel. So whichever you linked, it will be available here. Okay, you can be get availables which you are using presently. Suppose I am using presently, which are there. So already I opened there already. So which are notepad I open. Okay, and access I open. Okay, a notepad I open and link I open, so it is showing you. Okay, you can use existing, and it comes here refresh. Suppose in this notepad I have typed only 4 names. I want to be type one more name, or I want to put some additional. Then I have to be use the refresh. Okay. See, now refresh is common. So see, I will take my notepad. I'll go there. Okay. I have just written there. See, I have only 4 names are there. I want to put one more name. Okay. So when I refresh, it has to be appear there. Okay, just I have written one name. I want to be save, just to click save. Okay, I will close here. Again same, I'll go to the Excel sheet. Okay, here I want to be refresh all. You can click here, refresh all. So it will take which file you want to refresh and import. So you can see instead of 4, 5 names are came. So that is about the connections and refresh. And same option here, you can see here connections, as I said already, whichever connected files are there to show you. So you can see here 3 files we are connected. If you want to add one more, you can add, or if you want to remove, you can remove it. Okay, this is for external information and connections. Okay, this is about, I think you understand very well, get external data and connection. Okay, this is one part. And let us see here sort and filter. Okay, first I'll go another sheet. See, you have to understand what is the sort and filter. Okay, when you want to be arrange the names alphabetically, okay, ascending or descending, there it has to be used. Suppose you can see here my numbers are here written. Okay, there is no sequence. Okay, names also there is no sequence. If you want to be keep sequence 1 2 3, just I will select here this column. I'll go A to Z, means sort small to largest. I'll click here and just you click sort. You can see here it's coming 1 to sequence coming. The same way you want to be go for reverse, you can use here sort large to small. Okay, again click sort. You can see it's come reverse. Same way I want to be check in names also. Here also, if you want to keep ascending order, sort A to Z, first A alpha and B and C, like this continuation. Click sort. So you can see here it's coming A to Z. Same if you want to reverse also you can use Z to A. Okay, so this is about the sorting. You can be make the sorting of ascending and descending order. From here also you can make the sorting clearly which you want to be sort. You can be click here English. Okay, values you can take largest to smallest, small to largest. Okay, you can check here I have taken smallest to largest in English. Click OK. You can check here 30 50 60. So it is become this one. You can be do like this also. You can be do sorting ascending and descending. And next comes here filter. See, you can see here this heading we have to keep the filter. When you select filter, okay, one here small pop-up came. So it will be give a description details list of this column. Just I select here. See, I have all content are available here. You can see down. Okay, whichever in that column. Or if you want to be do the sort smallest to largest, largest to smallest, or sort by colors also you can view. Okay, that is. And if you want to be use filter by color, number filter also you can use. See, suppose mainly we are using this filter because in out of here 10 12 content are there. I want to be see only the 2 or 3 people name. See, suppose I will be select here. So I will be select all. So I want only here Bhanu and Rahul details I want. So I have to select here only 2 content and click OK. So when I click wherever Rahul and Bhanu name is there, that will be show you because you can be find out easily. And you can, if you want to select all, see we have content of thousands of students are there. You want to take only particular one student name. Okay, I want to take here one name. Okay, just if I click here, okay, you can be check here. Okay, so you can be search easily. You can available, just you click here. Okay, you will get the details of only the particular which you have searched. So when you have bulk of students or thousands of students are there, that time also you can use the filtering, and there you can be do alphabetical also that kind of also you can use. Okay, when you do the filtering, If you want to remove the filter also, you can be remove the filter, clear filter here, okay. And if you don't want to be filter, then you have to clear the filter here. Otherwise you can use first you select all and use filter, okay. If you don't want filter, you cannot be use and reapply. This is there. And advanced will become in the advanced, okay. When you go for advanced explanation, then will be explain you. And next comes here, it's very important tool here. You can see here are data and tools. It's very important for I made one special video for this one. I given link in description. You can be connected, you can check, because it will take somewhat more time, okay. Next will come here to be group. So suppose you want to make a group of 12 are there. You want to make only 6 5 columns, you want to make group, then you have to use the group. See, suppose I want to make here 5 names. I will select. I want to make up to 5 as a group. First I will make here group, okay. 5 are there. I will click here group. Then rows or columns will ask you rows. Click OK. So you can see here these 5 columns are made group. You can see here this is, when I click minus symbol, it will be go adding. When I click adding, it will be expandation. So that is you can make the particular group, or you can be make particular stock, like you have stock item is like mouse, computer, keyboard, how many cell, that report is there, okay. Like this also can be used in the that one group. And here come the ungroup. If you want to be clear the group, you can be clear, or ungroup you can clear rows, okay. So it has to be gone. This is the making the group. Why we are making group means making the particular items in one group, so it will be clearly you can understand. And it comes one more here, subtotal, okay. When you click the subtotal, it will ask you serial number, okay. It's sum of Hindi, okay. Or you can be take average. So you have to select here, click. I'll take English one. I'll click OK. Okay, you can see here this is a subtotal of each one. You can see it will be explain you each one, okay. One total, how much marks are going, okay. It will be help in save as a cell record. When you want to maintain, it will be help you. See, I want to be make of record of half of I'll make, okay. I want to make 3 of some, okay. I'll click OK. You can see here this is the subtotal, means subcategory will be there. In the main category, another subcategory will be there, that is called subtotal. See, sum is there. I want to be take the sum of 3, okay. Otherwise I will take 4, okay. Then I will be click OK. So you can see here sum of these two is total 2, Kumar 835. You can see 30, 85, okay, 96. These are the sum of each coming. So you can see here grand total also. So when you taken the content for the particular cells record, and particular like keyboard, mouse, or any stocks are there, that time you can use a subtotal. It will be understand very clearly how it's making the subtotal. Okay, subtotal is just division of main total to subtotal. So I hope you are understand very well in data. In data, I'll actually only one data and tools are left. So I covered in video. You can be check in the description. So thank you for watching video. Please comment and subscribe our video.